afternoon. My name is Maira Kreislere and I represent the Data and Knowledge Management Department, the Methodological Center of Latvia in the field of library data creation and development of data standards. National Library of Latvia since the year 2013 is making a step-by-step transition to the new resource description and access data model, in which the textual content of many data elements will be replaced by links to controlled dictionary values and global identifiers. We enrich bibliographic and authority data, provide semi-automated legacy data editing according to RDA. RDA is a new approach to data modeling based on the identification of entities, display their attributes and relationships. RDA is complied with MARC 21 authority standard. A new direction for user needs is explored to discover resources using relationships between them and thus place the resources in a context. The main goals of RDA implementation are to create more access points for entities and to enrich records with additional information. It means fuller authority records, different aspects of content, notes, descriptions of entire resource and its parts. With an emerging of new types of resources, visual, audio, interactive, even virtual, data creators face the necessity to describe them according to what's up-to-date practices. To share our resources effectively, we need to take few steps, one of which is a modern, web-friendly resource description system with insights into the future. Global open authority data, moving from authority control to entity identification. RDA requirements for authority data are more detailed and allow to enrich authority records with additional information about entities from controlled vocabularies. It's possible to show, for example, person's gender, place of residence, occupation, field of activities, etc. It is also important to show relationships between entities, for example, person to corporate body, person to work, etc., and their reciprocal relationships. The participation in URIC allows us to get more experience and obtain known knowledge, contacts, and international recognition. Implementation of RDA in Latvia based only on the knowledge and competence of national library experts and their skills of self-learning, and training the staff by developing knowledge and skills of catalogers. The RDA implementation group includes data model expert, metadata, linked data, authority data, standardization experts, and system librarian. RDA implementation strategy includes various activities. Translation for several training materials gained from the world's leading libraries, creation of RDA basic methodological documents, national examples and training modules, development and training program for catalogers of the Union Catalog and for other Latvian librarians. Lack of additional funding for translation due to world financial crisis 2009 induced a decision to translate only some parts of RDA. Introduction, glossary, core elements list, entity values. In 2020, we have finished translation of RDA glossary and entity relationship terms, and we will publish it in the RDA registry. Problem for so long process was frequent changes in RDA terms definitions and the ongoing addition of new terms in glossary. Bibliographic records in National Bibliography Database was more detailed and not depend on existence of actual physical items, unlike library catalog records. We synchronized these databases, thinking especially about national part of publications. It is important to give more access points and adopt whole part relationships. If FRBR was translated, but in practice this model is not implemented because Library Information System Aleph is not designed for verbalizing catalog data. Impact to catalogers is necessity to change librarian-oriented cataloging philosophy to user-friendly description of resources. It means understanding work, expression, manifestation, item levels. Many catalogers continue to think in card catalog categories, how to record information in concise form with limited number of indexes, and have difficulties to think in entity and entity relationships categories, which would be suitable for the web environment. Data entry according to RDA, showing all levels of entities, reflects the fragmentation of data in the digital environment. A single piece of data can be reused in different contexts for different purposes. The implementation of RDA is the first step for libraries to adapt semantic web technologies and share data with other metadata creator communities. In turn, linked data can be the next logical step. The relationship structure is designed to show not only the traditional relationships between works and their creators, but also between different and related works, related persons, families, institutions, different publications, for example, commented, abridged, illustrated, critiqued, translations into other languages, accessibility in various physical forms. A network of relationships is also developing, showing works derived from the original work, such as parodies, remakes, transformations from and to prose works, and so on. Identifiers replace names and are not subject to change and accurately identify the entity. It is a unique way to identify entities, relationships, etc., using standardized syntax, dictionaries, ontologies. National Library of Latvia catalogers create authority records for persons, families, corporate bodies, events, works, themes, which is based on Library of Congress subject heading, foreign genre terms, geographical names, uniform names, and create links between them in Aleph Authority database. Authority data in WIAF from 2013. Through the WIAF, we get WIAF ISNI Wikidata union list of artist names, identifiers, which are added to our authority data. Authority data is also used in linked data collection, Reinis and Aspasia. They are poets, leading Latvian creative personalities and public figures of their time. This is collection of interlinked objects with diverse multi-format content, which includes annotated correspondence, literary works, posters, archived documents, audio and video files. Following the Finnish experience in 2020, we took the first steps in export our thesaurus data in Cosmos environment. The result is eligible for publication. The newest challenge is participation in Latvian memory institutions, libraries, archives, and museums digital resources platform project. RDA is chosen as a base standard for creation person, family, corporate body, entity data. The next further narration will continue my colleague Vineta Ločmele.
Good afternoon. My name is Vineta Ločmele. I'm metadata editor in the metadata department of the National Library of Latvia. I want to demonstrate the main difference between Anglo-American rules and resource description and access standards for creating metadata for monographic research that must radically change the usual way of librarians thinking. Examples are chosen from our national bibliography. They demand new knowledge and competence from National Library of Latvia experts, good communication skills to be able to train the staff and to master catalogers, own skills of self-learning and critical thinking as well. They moves forward by changing the way we think to open up possibilities for the future. There are some of more significant change. They may be difficult for catalogers who have been trained in AACR2. It's usually harder to learn new rules if you are already familiar with the previous set. The new data standard permits a lot of catalogers' judgment, so it demands a critical thinking even more. In MARC environment, the general principle, take what you see, is applied. However, it needs a cataloger judgment as well. Librarian concern. The title is the first thing a users look at the catalog, and when they start seeing some in all small caps, some with spelling mistakes, this really does make it look so bad. Here you can see 3 examples. In this one, the book title begins with lowercase letter. You should make an additional note about it to explain. It is cataloger judgment to give a note and/or an access point if it is important to help to identify the book. Concerning errors, transcribe the title with the error. Provide a 246 with the correct spelling if you think it would be helpful for a user. So the main factor will be benefit the user. Abbreviation in transcribed elements are permitted only the appears abbreviation of the source. It is user-friendly solution. The general material designator is replaced by 3 new data elements: content, media, and carrier type. Content type tells the user how the content of the work expressed, what form of communication and which command scenes is used. Media type is broader categorization of what type of device, if any, is needed to be able to see, hear, etc. the content of this resource. Carrier type gives more specific information, and then media type term does about the format, housing, and type of device needed. Actually, this marked fields facilitate communication between computers but aren't easily to understand by users. More detailed publication information is one of the main changes in RDA. For all new original RDA records, one complicated publication statement is replaced by divided repeatable statement for production, publication, distributed, manufactured, and copyright data. Data taken from outside the resource, or data that are not found in the resource, are placed in square brackets, and clues each element rather than string of elements. There is no more rule of 3, and it means more access points. There is also no more phrase at all. Instead of mission and description, RDA recommends, if statement of responsibility names more than one person, record all. The National Library of Latvia's leading bibliographic agency offers optional omission to record first 5 named entities and summarize the omission by bracket phrase and others in Latvian. Some of our catalogers don't like this idea because it makes a mix of language used in description. It's good for national records, but it may confusion concerning description on foreign books. Access points for the first name of principal entity is mandatory. For others, it depends on cataloger judgment. For institutional policy, you can give access points even for all. Let's look at this example. There are 17 creators. In ACR2, the only person who would have been listed in Egils Gulbis, and the rest would have been et al. Our institutional policy for optional omission, according to RD, is to show that all appear in record, but the first 5 will be named in field 245 subfield C, and other 12 are recorded in note field 500. They all have access points in the 700 field. 720 field is used if there is no authority record for this person. RD doesn't mention the minimum maximum numbers of creators to be named. Sometimes there can be more than 20 creators. Decision has to be made by catalogers if there is no prescribed strong recommendation by institutional policy. In general, the more access is the better, if it can benefit the user, and it is easy to find and identify. What about RD today? The move to RD is important and necessary steps in building better catalogs and resource discovery system for the future. It gives more detailed information and more access points. Additionally, we can see table of contents, annotation, added book cover image, and so on. There is set mandatory elements, but additional elements are determined by our data experts, local recommends, and cataloger decision. Of course, now it takes more time to create these bibliographic records. Even now, the RD methodology is still undergoing revision, addition, and a fruitful dialogue between cataloger and RD implementation experts ongoing. Following the direction we took in 2017, now we have more than 11,245 national bibliographic records created according to RDA. There are exciting times working in the area of resource description and resource discovery. Thank you for your attention.